after a week of constant rain. So we've got some dry weather now, beginning of October. The bird sleighs have come out. Anyway, this morning I'm off down to the Raven at Whitchurch. I'm going down to, well, the plan was I was going down to a breakfast and meet up, a chat or whatever with the Peaky Biker. The Peaky Biker. I'll put a link in description for his channel. Good lad from Birmingham. Well, Wolverhampton. He's from Wolverhampton, but yeah, good lad. Yeah, I was going down on my own, but late last night I had communication with Jolene and Steve, and now I'm going to meet them, and they're going to come down with us, and after breakfast we'll perhaps have a ride around Shropshire and maybe into North Wales. So I'll turn you off and see you in a bit. Well, I'm nearly at where I'm meeting Jolene, Steve, and Rachel's coming with us today as well. Never met Rachel before, but before I got too far, should have done this at the start of the video actually. Over the last few times out with the camera and on the bike and that, when I've come to be editing, I've had a lot of trouble with my audio, a lot of interference through the mic and that. So today's a bit of a test for the audio. Plus, I've got to say a massive thanks to Nathan from Hellmount. Hellmount, it's his company that will design and manufacture well, I should call them chin mounts, but camera mounts for your chin, or if you want to put it on your top of your head or anywhere, or anything that can be 3D printed, he can design and do it. So yeah, give him a look. It's hellmount.com. So yeah, massive thanks to Nathan. He did checked everything out for me last week and rewired a new mic in. So fingers crossed, we should be okay today. So yeah, check Nathan's website, Hellmount. Right, so here we go. Just meeting Jolene, Steve and Rachel at the garage here. We said 9 o'clock and it's 2 minutes past. So that means I'll probably still be waiting about half an hour. Anyone who knows Jolene will know exactly what I mean. Right, so we're just about to leave Raven. We met up with Peaky Biker. Here he is, Peaky.
Stay safe, Walker. What you doing?
See you later.
Stay safe. Can't stay safe, just be good. Stay safe, keep your family safe, and if you could all do one thing, which is smile. Thank you. It was a nice plate full of brekkie, that were.
Yeah, Raven, nice brekkie there, isn't it? Like I say, I normally think my baker's is better, but you can't grumble at what you get there.
Oh.
Some muck in the road here. There's a lot of muck in the road.
Oh yeah.
Sharp right.
Yeah, lovely right. No, go, get it.
Go, I was just going to say that. Go, gadget knees. After he scared all the birds with his tooting.
Do you want to have a laugh? The last time me and Tony came down here, we missed that road then as well.
Quality.
God, I love this road.
Yeah, it's beautiful. A little bit tighter and a little bit twistier than the 49, which
Yeah.
is nice. Not as many solid white lines, which is better way to spend a Saturday, sat across a pocket rocket.
Nice and big problem between your legs.
Oh, the vibration is lovely.
I know.
Ice cream! Ice cream! They're selling ice cream, they're selling ice cream.
What is it there, Dad?
That's a lovely country smell I've just got a waft of as I came round past that farm.
Roads are a bit shitty, aren't they?
It's a bit broken up, isn't it?
Do I say that again? God, the roads are a bit shitty, aren't they?
Yeah. Nice and twisty though.
Yeah.
Help get rid of your beep bands.
Cheese factory down there.
Cheese factory.
Hey, told you it was round the next. See, you never listen to me.
Look at that.
Oh, glorious bend, and we're held up by this.
Damn, that's amazing.
Ow.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, that big old oak tree's got a hell of a twist in.
You what, sorry?
Like it's grown. That first oak tree in the field on our right that we've just passed, the first tree had a proper twist to its trunk. It wasn't a straight up down, it had a nice twist to it. Proper weird. Don't normally see a tree trunk that's like 6 foot wide with a twist in it.
No. Here we go, over the river. Fancy having that house there up corner.
Wow.
Overlooking river like
Wow. Bloody gorgeous.
that. 17 mile to the old stores.
Oh, wow.
That's an amazing view.
Ow.
No, can't say I've ever been to this place. Yeah.
We turn right and then we'll turn left. Clear.
Where?
Then left here.
Johnstown. Yeah, all through.
This is nice. Railway that, isn't it? Yeah, railway.
Church parking only. Didn't know you could drive
Look
a
at
church.
That place. Look at this here.
Wow.
I love it when you go through places like this and you're like, oh, look at this and look at this and look, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Tell you what, some beautiful houses down here. Well, this place looks nice on the right.
It does, doesn't it?
AstroTurf the roof there so they can walk out of the French doors onto the roof, and it's AstroTurf.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at them cheeky.
We shall, look, be turning left in 1/4 mile.
Whee.
Clear.
Clear.
Tight one, this.
Well, at least he kept to the right side of the road.
Hey?
That's right, having another dig. That's near Munchkin. I pay my road tax, I can use all
Can't
the
come
road.
in.
Ah. I know. It's just so funny. Where are you going?
Slight lapse of concentration. I'm being penalised even now. Oh, look, I want to run side of the road, what do I do? Oh, come back over here. There's a white line, oh dear, it's a brick wall.
Oh, this is a gorgeous corner, this. And all of a
You
sudden, I
read
saw
the
him in
mirrors?
mirror.
Whoops.
I saw him in mirror. It got over the other side of the road.
I forgot to say, that was bloody
bloody
brilliant.
heart failure. I'm so sorry for squeezing in your ears.
Alright, secret didn't hear you.
That was
Like all
funny.
these dickheads on a Saturday night that scream at the TV. All the footballers can't hear you, you daft bastard. You're in dark Barcelona.
So, we will turn left again.
Yeah, I think I've passed the stage of being a reliable solid oak.
That's old age. There we go.
I haven't
Wow.
quite reached the stage of being a flexible pine just yet. Tinya Chapel, or Capel.
What an
Take the
absolute
boy.
cracking route this has been, hasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
dead centre of town that.
Not the arse end.
No, that graveyard.
Oh, that corner.
Look at that.
That was good.
Oh, I enjoyed that one. Did that one at 38.
Woohoo. That was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was beautiful. Just tipped it in and just pile the throttle on.
Yep.
Lovely.
Oh, yes.
Oh, look at that.
Ow.
Wow. Oh my god.
Oh, we're coming back here again.
Yeah. Wow.
You recording, Stuart?
I am at the moment.
Chopping brilliant.
How pretty.
Look at this house here.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Turn
Where are you
right.
going?
Turn right. Sorry.
Alright. We can see you.
Lovely. What a lovely route.
I have to think that we've done. Was it Shropshire where the Raven is? Is it Shropshire, the Raven?
It's near Shropshire. It's Cheshire, Shropshire borderish, I think.
Right,
where
right on the
Raven is.
border, isn't it?
Yeah,
And now we're in Welsh, Wales.
yeah. I seem to have a lot of roadkill on my visor.
Job we've got a cloth, we'll clean that.
Diddly 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 dee, diddly dee, diddly dee. Cake. Have you been here
Oh.
before, Steve? The old stores?
No,
Right.
no, never.
Well, this is going to be a treat for, well, all three of you, I think. This is a wonderful place. For a motorcycle enthusiast or motorcycle rider, motorcycle fan, this is superb.
So it's nice for bikers then.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Worst thing is, you've bigged it up so much.
Yeah,
But we're
I'm
going to
not
get
scared.
disappointed now, aren't we?
Yeah, if all I get is a tacky piece of frozen chocolate fudge cake, I'm not going to be happy.
Well, when you see it, you'll go, Christ, you didn't big it up enough.
It's very
We'll
much
see.
a reminder of, oh, when you get over this hill, you'll see the Irish Sea. And we look
I
and we
don't-
go, no.
Oh, we were all that enthralled. This boys joke about sheep. None of us heard the punchline.
Oh, that was the funniest thing ever.
Goodness me, we don't need to be this slow.
Yeah.
Don't believe I saw a 20.
Oh, yes, we're in Wales, aren't we? It's a new speed limit,
Yeah.
20, innit? Oh, God, yeah.
Saved the drug dealer.
Yeah.
Like if they bounce off you at 20, at 30 they'll die. Yeah, there's the 20 on the left.
Yep.
Yeah.
And they're the new speed cameras. That's not an average. Those two on your left, they're the new speed cameras.
Ain't it ridiculous? Look at that. Coal carriage. Imagine going into work. Now, they're supposed to have changed 30s to 20s and not change the signs. That's what they've said, isn't it?
I wouldn't have a clue, my mate.
Right.
The other one's disappeared off into the distance. So I say this is back to a 30.
Oh, it is. Yeah, we've just passed the sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They've not changed all the signs yet. Because every 30 limit was supposed to be becoming a 20.
All right. Well, you've got a 30 sign, and I've just passed the 30 repeater, and my dash is now saying 30.
Yeah.
Right, well, we're turning right into the place in 0.3 of a mile. Just right corner.